We're going crazy.
Bro. We finna go to church. After that, we finna get something and munch on. I still got run club to do today, too. And
You said you got what?
Run club.
A run club? In the rain?
Yeah.
Ooh, y'all don't be playing. Okay, run. 916 or whatever y'all
916 Run Club.
Yeah, y'all eat
bro.
down. Y'all eat down.
We're gonna start at Lowbrow and then go from there.
Oh yeah, y'all eat down. Cheers to y'all. Like, run every day. Run in the summer, the winter, the spring, the fall. Shit.
Run with allergies, yeah.
Cause I ain't running no rain, but I'm running the little sprinter in the summer.
Hell nah.
Yeah, I'm like, the rain is crazy.
For a great ending in the story of you, tell a good story. Your life should tell a good story, impact the lives of others. 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 10 says this. He says, you, however, know all about my teaching, my way of life, my purpose, faith, patience, love, endurance, persecutions, sufferings, what kinds of things happened to me in Antioch, Iconium, Lystra, the persecutions I endured, yet the Lord...
Shit, bro, my camera always dirty. Nah, but that's...
Do you not keep your recording on the same way?
What do you mean?
Because, like, last time you had your phone the other way.
Which one?
Like, kind of like...
You said where?
No. Remember you had it like this.
Oh.
Or am I tripping? No, I might be just tripping.
I don't know. We gonna have to see. We got to see in the other cam. I don't know. I mean, honestly, it just depends. I use my hand like a selfie stick. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Let's extend though.
kind of like Look, when I sit down, you feel me? It be.
It's like I'm so tired because I didn't go to sleep until like 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock because I was watching Mufasa. I didn't get to finish it though.
What are you
I
watching?
only, at my house. I was gonna say I only got to watch only like 10 minutes, 20 minutes of it, and I fell asleep.
You said you didn't get no sleep.
Yeah, because before I started watching that, I was at Monty's house. Then I went to go charge my car. Then
Oh yeah, can't just be an electric day. You gotta really go play. Bro, I hate the rain. That's the third time a car did that. The water keeps splashing. But so then, how long does it take your car to charge?
it don't take too long. It takes like an hour
It's not that
if I'm on a speed charger. But since I do need to go, thank you for saying that. I need to put that in my notes. I need to go to Home Depot. Because I need to get a piece that I can connect to my wall at my house in the garage, and I can charge my car at home.
Oh.
Yeah. So while I'm not driving, that bitch can be charging.
Right. That
And
makes
then
sense.
when I'm driving,
That makes hella sense.
yeah. But really, you would really save hella money on electric cars. I literally only spent $15 to
For gas?
Yes.
Bro, you used to spend how much for
I
gas?
used to spend $180 a week.
Bro, whoa. Look at that touch. I'm not getting behind that person. I don't know how to drive. But it's gonna be up here though, huh?
Yeah, so mine's going.
We're going to get something to eat, y'all. Right here. You here? We're going to get some Thai food. What do you want it? Yeah. I'm so excited.
Try new things. Try. For sure, try new things.
But dang, you spend only $15 for gas. You're spending $180 for gas a week. You go to Florida and back.
So I'm about to see. I'm about to see how this week goes and see like, okay, how much am I spending, so I can calculate everything. Planning all 2025. Y'all, that's the key. I'm dropping gems on y'all, so pick them up. Plan all 2025. Don't fuck around.
Plan all 2025. I ain't messing around. I like that. Now we gotta think about, while we eating, we could think about the shit. The vision board party, not technically vision board because we ain't thought of the name yet. Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Do you have restroom? Restroom in the back, sir. Thank you.
We trying this new joint. I'm nice one. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. This what we talking. Thai fried rice. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go to the run club today, so I gotta see what I'm talking about. I don't wanna eat nothing too crazy. Fire!
Move your water.
Fire! That mother crazy. Guap.
Good,
I can't even. Can y'all smell it? Guap. And we got fried rice. Oh, we going dumb. Dum da da dum 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 dum. Dum da da dum dum. There's some mushrooms in there?
Yeah, you don't like mushrooms?
I'm gonna eat. I'm an eater.
Are you an eater?
I'm an eater. She knows it.
I'm
Finna go dumb though.
There's some chicken in there too. You just gotta.
You just gotta dig in. Yeah.
So rate the chicken kebab on its ratings. Damn.
Juicy. It's like a different taste. I just don't know what it is. Soup over there. So, reveal on the scene. Hot. I need my taste buds.
You just gotta.
I'm gonna burn my shit off.
Drink some of the soup with it. Don't eat all the. Yeah. It's not gonna be hot. It's good.
It's like your noodles.
Mm-hmm.
You smack.
Do it. Too good. Oh, you gotta try your candy.
Candy?
You should. Thirsty? Go, 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 go.
We were playing the Cowboys. You better not get me a sour card, man.
I gotta say more.
Oh, y'all have one of these joints.
Too good. Food torqued up. probably got a little bit of soup left.
A little bit of chicken in that soup.
So good. You guys gotta come. So good. Rate the food 1 to 10. 10 being the best.
Give it like a 9.
A 9?
Because I don't give out 10s.
Boy. I'm hecka weak. Okay. Okay.
You know you gotta do the vlog.
Hey, why you trying to steal my parking spot?
Oh yeah, that was this nigga in the big ass truck. Yeah. I was gonna pop out like,
Oh, that's easy. My head.
oh,
You're a good driver though, but he was like,
brother, I'm already knowing. Look, I'm already knowing. I'm good at. Oh, that bullshit on her head. She got that bullshit on her head. Nah, but I ain't gonna lie. When I was driving, when I was sliding, I was like, fuck, is he finna go or is he gonna fit? And I'm like, fuck, let me just buy some of those. Like, I was a tripper. What was you doing last night? Last night? I was in the house. You was in the house? I was in the house. Hit it. I was at the casino beating their ass. Damn. This what y'all here for? I don't know what he was doing, man. You see it? Having hella fun. I hit him for like, I put in like 10 and got him like 150. Damn. That's cool though. A little regular shit. That's cool. You ain't ready. No smoke. He ain't ready. That's cool. Cool ass dude. Yeah, it's hella cool how you just finna run in that. He's finna run in that? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's crazy. Is that his beard, bro? Took a shot. I don't know. That's definitely his beard. His hair color changed. His regular hair now. I don't know what the type of hair this is. That nigga had blonde ass hair before. What kind of hair y'all think my nigga got with that hair? What kind of hair? Cool ass dude. Don't ask me tomorrow though. It's hella windy. You know, we was already doing that. Alright, y'all.
oh no, her older sister.
I ain't gonna lie, we got tired, man. So we ain't been able to vlog. We've been cutting hair, man. I gotta clean my nails. I got heck of hair in them. That's the cons of being a barber, bro. I look ugly. But it's okay though, cause I be having stuff for it. Like, cause y'all think I'm cap. It's your best friend right here. Show y'all, that's what you do, boom. With me, so straight like this, you go up in there though. You gotta get up in there though, like, ooh, look at all that. Look at all of that. You feel me? If you got dirty fingernails, you're disgusting. Swear to God. Swear to God. Huh? Tari did.
Oh yeah, that was Tari.
That was Tari. You say he can. Tari, nah, Tari. Tari sounds great. Gang, where you running off to?
I wanted to sit here like 20 minutes thinking what I'm gonna eat.
How your day been?
Yeah, man. Trying to put a little Sunday, you know, make it boo friend. Put a little slight three ball on the Sundays.
I made it cool like one summer and I got here like an hour.
Yeah, you got here long. That's good. After your run too.
After the run too.
My boy be right here be getting them games in, man. He be getting in there.
Hey man, Alright guys, I got my brother out eating with us. We got Girly Face out here eating with us. What? Oh, we getting drunk. That's alcohol in there too.
Good juice.
We all drunk.
These are hella big.
Everybody be saying they good. I haven't tried it, but
You drink them?
Hmm?
You drink them?
I ain't drinking none yet.
I mean, mine's full.
I'm smacking down. Mm-hmm.